So what's up, best friends? Welcome back to my channel. So I show hair. They sent me this wig to try out and review for you guys, or demonstrate a tutorial. So we're going to demonstrate a tutorial. This is what the packaging looks like. It came with this pamphlet that has percentage and money off if you do order with them. So if you do decide to order, I have all the information down below in the description box for you. So this says it's a 26-inch, 180% density. This is a stock wig. You do not get a lot of parting space on the side, which is, I don't know, like a lot of manufacturers are doing this now, and it's really bothering, okay? But anyway, so I'm going to color my hair blue, and those are the two colors I use. I'm going to use 4 bottles in total. So I'm only going to take about a quarter of each bottle right now, and I'm going to put it in a tinting bowl, and I'm going to mix both of the colors together. I'm using Sapphire, and I can't even think of the names. I'll have them down below in the description box for you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna mix those together because I'm going to hand paint the color on the frontal. Okay, so I did start off by wetting the hair, which I should have washed the hair first, because it would have made this process really easy when it came to water dyeing. And besides, you want to make sure you wash your hair anyway, because you want to make sure that all the layers that's on this hair, because it did come from a factory, is off. Okay, so it makes coloring easy. It makes the hair easy to grab color as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just apply that blue onto the frontal, and I'm gonna do that into the entire frontal. Just make sure it's saturated. I'm trying to be mindful of the lace because I do not feel like staining it, because I don't know about y'all, but I used to use Vaseline to protect my lace. That's cool, but it just takes a little bit longer to rinse off, but it will rinse off if you use hot water. Got to Be does not work for me because it dissolves as soon as it hits the hot, warm water when you watercoloring. So that, and it's just a lot of product that you're wasting. I normally use Color Oops, but I ran out, and I didn't feel like going to the beauty supply, so I just ended up doing it this way, because normally I just would have dipped the entire wig into the water. And if the lace stained, then I would have used the Color Oops to remove the stained lace and to remove the color from the knots. But since I ran out, I have to do it this way because I wanted to be mindful of the lace, because I did not want bluish greenish lace, because that would have been really hard to, melt into my skin. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in and apply all of the dye onto the roots, and then I'm going to comb it through with a comb just to make sure that everything is saturated in the front of the hairline, because I do not want it to be spotty. I wanted it to be like very much saturated. So after I have it colored, the water's blue because I put the tinting brush in there. But see, this is why I said I should have washed it first, because I ended up having to wet the hair before I ended up watercoloring it. And it really didn't soak, and the hair wasn't as soft as it would, so it could absorb that color. So, yeah. So I have to do that first. But other than that, once it's wet, I'm going to just wring it out and then pour my colors into the warm water. That's tap water. I didn't boil any water. You guys do know when you boil your wigs, your wig caps turn smaller, right? And if you have a blonde wig and you boiling, like literally boiling your hair, you run the risk of over processing your hair because you already have 613 hair. You feel me? It's one thing to just put it in hot water, but if you're putting it in actual boiling water, you're gonna over process your hair. And yeah, and if you have a big head and you do that, you run a risk of making your cap smaller as well. So I just wanted to let you guys know that, because I see a lot of people doing that, and that's kind of weird to me, because I'm like, why do you boil your hair when hot tap water does the same thing for you? But anyway, I'm just gonna dip the wig inside and out. Inside, just make sure that it is getting that color. I did add more color to this water just to make sure that it was opaque. And then after that, I just let it sit in the water so all the color can get on there, okay? And once I let it sit, this is what the wig turned to after I washed and conditioned it. So this is the color. It came out really pretty, okay? So yeah, so homegirl, this is my mannequin I bought from Amazon. Amazon messed me up because they packaged her real good, but her nose is messed up, and I just do not feel like sending her back because I needed it. So anyway, let's go on with the install. We're going to do a boho install. I'm going to take my 91% alcohol, clean off my hairline. You want to make sure all the dirt and debris is off of your hairline. You can use a sea breeze to do this. You can use alcohol. You can use skin protect to do this. I'm just going to use alcohol. So I'm going to take my boho active today. I'm not using lemon burst. I'm using active, and I'm just going to spread it out with my brush. So I did use 2 layers of glue, but I'm only going to show you guys one, because for the sake of the video and the length of the video, I don't want to show you guys me putting on 2 layers, okay? So I'm going to do 1 layer, and then I'm going to go in with my liquid gold behind my cap, and also put a thin layer of that on so I can apply my wig down. Okay, so once the wig is applied, I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses makeup in a small brush, and I'm going to go in close to the hairline and use that makeup to match my hair. And the reason why I'm not using tinting spray is, 1, I usually sell these wigs. 2, it's blue, and I don't want to risk staining the actual hair color. So makeup will wash off, all right? If you use the wrong color makeup will wash off. You just got to find a good match for your actual skin tone. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace and lay my baby hairs. And to lay the baby hairs, I'm gonna use some spritz, and I'm gonna just use my edge brush and lay them down. So you want to repeat that to both sides, and once both sides is finished, you want to pin your hair up because you're going to use your Ebin lace spray to melt your lace all the way down. And at this point, when your lace is melting, you can go in with your hot comb, straighten your hair, do whatever it is, your final touches to make your wig popping and bomb best friends, okay? So yeah, like this wig, you know, a lot of blonde hair, like when you color it and then you put heat on it, it changed colors. This one did not do that at all. Like I said, I think at the end of this video, I did say that I didn't receive any shedding when it came to this wig. I just wish the wig was a little bit thicker and I had a little bit more parting space on the side. But as of that, like the wig is really nice. It holds color good. It holds heat good. Yeah, so if you guys are interested, I'll definitely leave that down below in the description box for you guys. My eyelashes will be down in the description box for you guys as well. Okay, you guys, so this is the ending of the video, and I just want to say that this color is so bomb. Oh my goodness, oh my god. I have this dress on. I paired this hair with this dress from Fashion Nova, and she is cute. It's like a little satin dress that goes to your thigh, you feel me? Kind of show your little thigh meats, and then you got this mesh top on, and I got my little jewelry, real gold, okay, on, because I get asked a lot about my necklace. These are real gold. You gotta go to your jeweler, your local swap meet. All right, but anyway, so this is the hair. Like, she is cute or whatever. Like, I love the color. I'm just loving the color. But this is what I'm gonna say. The hair is not sheddy for me. Like, it does not shed. And if you are a 22.5 or a 23, this cap does run on the smaller side, okay? So if you are anything bigger than that, you will not be able to fit this cap. If you are a smaller head size, then you will definitely be fine, all right? So I do want to say I really wish that this wig was a bit thicker because it is on the thin side, and that's a real gripe for me because it is so nice. It is a nice wig. Again, this didn't have a whole lot of parting space, so you only get about this much, and I plucked it lightly so I could get a realistic hairline, you guys. So that is about it. If you are interested in this wig, I will leave the details for her down below in the description box. I will have everything that I use in the description box for you guys. If you guys are interested in this cute little dress, I will leave the link to the Fashion Nova website that I got it, because it's still in stock. It's still in stock, and I wish I had it in other colors because this is bomb. This is bomb. But okay, best friends, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye, best friends.